Okay, this is what I'm cooking this morning for breakfast. I'm going to have me some strawberries. It won't be a lot, but I'm going to have at least a few strawberries. And I'm going to put these over here. So, you can see that's what I'm going to have for breakfast. I have my bacon, my eggs with cheese. I'm going to have an avocado and some spinach with some garlic. Okay, I'm going to mix these things up here, and then I will show you my breakfast when I'm done. Okay, as you see, I finished my breakfast, and here I have 2 sliced strawberries, 2 pieces of bacon. I have a cup of spinach with garlic sauteed. I have half an avocado and 2 eggs with some mild cheddar cheese. And this is going to be my breakfast this morning. As you can see, it looks like a full plate, but as you remember, I always use a saucer. So if you use a saucer to eat with, you're always gonna trick your mind into thinking that you're getting a lot of food. You're gonna feel like you're eating a lot of food too. This here is not a lot of calories at all. As a matter of fact, I will add up my calories after I put this into FitnessPal, and I'll let you know how many calories this is and how much fat it equals up to for me today. I've already had my apple cider vinegar for the morning. I took that when I first got up. So I'm fixing to get ready to sit down and enjoy this breakfast. I hope you're having a good meal too. Let's go.